Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at a tempered glass where I think it's really good for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the 9 and the 9 Pro. They have the ultrasonic fingerprint readers, and you're going to run into a situation where you're trying to find a tempered glass and they're all going to be different. So in this particular situation, I found that after testing a couple of glasses, shout out to my man Grant S. He said, Jay, this is one you need to get. It's from AM Films. I found this on Amazon. Literally, it was $9 for 3, and then they have a $2 off. I'll link it in the description just in case that $2 coupon is still there. It might even be a bigger coupon, who knows? But I've got it on here and it just works, folks. It works like it's not even there. Now, the screen protectors that I was using before that I used on here, I didn't even do a video on it. I didn't really get a chance to because I just got the phone and wanted to throw something on it right away, thinking, hey, I'll follow up later after I use it for a while and let them know this is what I got. But that screen protector was trash. And so without wasting your time and telling you, oh, don't buy this, this is the one that works great with the 9 lineup with this new ultrasonic fingerprint reader. It literally opens it up just like it's not even there. I'm not pressing hard or anything. It just works every time that I've tried it. The other glass that I used did not. It did not, and it just wasn't a good look. This one comes with the cage inside and everything, so you'll be able to easily put it on. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is take it off, try to use the same glass if you can, but if you can't, you've got 2 other chances to get it right. And for $7.99, I think this is really good because if I get another Pixel 9 Pro XL, I'll have a glass ready to go. Or if something happens to this one and it breaks, because you see me online, I post a lot of things sometimes online, and you'll see, well, hey man, the screen cracked. So yeah, and I'll just swap it out. But I like having these glasses like this. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a tempered glass because they're all going to break at some point more than likely. But if you're looking for one with touch sensitivity that's still just like factory, this is the one, at least from my testing so far, and I really like it. So head over to your display settings and scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure that your touch sensitivity is on right here. Make sure you have this on for screen protector mode on the bottom. And even if you turn it off, I think it's probably still gonna work because this glass is so thin. It's not thin to where the point of, it's not gonna work good, but just be careful when you put it on, because I compared it to some, like the glass that I took off of here that you just didn't see it, initially, it was much thicker than this. It was probably 2 times the thickness of this, and that's probably why it wasn't working. So that's good right there, that this one works even without the touch sensitivity for the screen protector mode being on. But with it on, you shouldn't have any problems with this working for you. Everything is really nice and fast and fluid. So I wanted to go ahead and bring you a video on this because I wanted to share the knowledge. Somebody passed it on to me, so I'm going to pay it forward, and I'm going to make sure you get a good tempered glass for your Pixel 9 Pro XL if you need one. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. The link to purchase is down below. And again, go shout out Grant S and check his channel out. He's like one of the photographer kings out here. He does all the best video comparisons on cameras. He's taking a break at the moment, probably still, but he does have all the new Pixels just like I do. So he has used this longer than I have, but I think I'm gonna like it. So shout out Grant S for hooking us up with the plug, and now I'm paying it forward to you. Spend that $8, get you 3 of these, you're set. It works great. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.